Hey John, my name is Sergio with Metro Design. In this screencast, I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring more customers to your business, Strassen Construction. Now, Joe is the owner of the agency, but I'll be guiding you how we will work together to grow the clientele. And if you'd like to give any feedback after listening to this information I'll be providing, I'll gladly receive it with open arms. I'll be thankful in advance. Now, the first question with business owners is usually along the lines of why you should do this. Well, John, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most owners are too busy to run their business on how the internet can benefit them and their company. Sometimes the hesitation they have with hiring someone is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. I found by giving people an easy attack method at things that they can do for free has resulted in local owners still raising their hands and saying, I like it, can you please do this for me? So, by the end of the video, you like what you heard, you can see the skills that I have to help your business grow and land more customers. Shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if you simply want to take this free attack and try it yourself, that works for me too. Now, before you try to do it yourself, let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your local competition. The first thing I'd like to go over is content. So in order for a business to be fully optimized to Google, which can be yours or your competitors, your landing page, aka homepage, needs to lay at least 1,500 words filled with keywords. And since you're on the site, I'll be going over one of your competitors, Don Jason Remodeling. Now, in comparison with your competitor, he has about 230 words filled with keyword-rich content. Now, this is very beautiful. This shows how rich keyword content is such a powerhouse of authority for Google. And every month people are searching for these certain keywords a number of times, which you miss out on not being number 1. So as you can see, when I pull up this tool, Ahrefs, you can see what his site is actually ranking for. He has about 45 backlinks, 15 referring domains, and 97 organic keywords. So I'm going to click on his organic keywords and show you what he's ranking for in this content. Don Jason Remodeling, Don Jason, floating slab garbage, floating slab foundations. Now you can see he's ranking number 1 for these first 3. This is bringing him the most traffic out of any keyword. That's because he's in the first position. So here's a little trend going. The first position will get the most traffic out of the volume, whether that's 30 or 150. And volume is just the amount of searches this word gets per month in the search engine of Google. KD is how hard it's ranked this word. So since it's a 0 KD, it's easier to get in the first position, right? So now you know a little bit about what goes in keyword and how it helps your content and your traffic. Let's go over to the next optimization section, which is the second most important thing I want to talk about. We call this thing the Google Map Hack or Maps. So doing a search for Lorain, Ohio, remodeling, you see this map pack. And inside the map pack, you see the business name, its address, and phone number. So, of course, reviews help tons with getting you ranked on Google Maps. But another thing people miss out on is citations. So when I show you this tool, this is in WhiteSpark. Inside the tool, WhiteSpark tool, there's Local Citation Finder. So using this resource, you can do a search for your competitors. So Don Jason Remodeling, you can see that he has about 41 citation sources. So throughout the 41 citation sources, only these are credible for Google to obtain. Now, domain authority also plays a big factor in it. The higher the domain authority, the better the rank is, or the better the citation is. So you want at least double, triple the amount of citations that any competitor in your local area has, or at least this guy right here. These citations, aka naps, are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellowbook, Whitebook, CityStar, so on and so on. Even Facebook has an area to where you can submit a citation. And lastly, the last thing I'd like to go over with you is another important aspect of Google. We call this thing user site authority, link juice. So I'm going to show you the search, the organic search of Lorain, Ohio remodeling. You can see Don Jason is the first one, and Prime Buyer's Report is the second. Now this is where you want to be. To get there, you need to be able to competition in every aspect. And this link juice simply put works like this. Site A is pointing to Site B, therefore Site A is acting like link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes. So almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than just that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back at you. For example, if we were to have Don Jason's remodeling linking back to you, it'd be a lot more effective than like a pizza linking back to you because you don't sling pizza for a living. Now, this tool Ahrefs, I pay about $100 a month. Great for checking out any link juice that SiteSmith has to offer, any keywords as well. But going to his link juice and scrolling down, you can see every single link that's linking back to his page. Now, cool thing about this site, you can click on every single one and take every single one as well and make them your own. But of course, you want more relevant sites, not just random sites that you might have. You want relevancy. So 3 things I went over today is content, citations, and backlinks. For your content, 1500 page on your homepage or landing page. And any service page or location page, you want at least 500. And any contact page or about page, at least 250. That will get you fully optimized Google and no ifs, ands, or buts. And citations, you want at least 100 to 200 of these so you can beat out the competition in every and by a landslide, or at least double or triple. And your link juice, you need more relevant sites pointing you guys to show Google your authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be number 1 across Google. Well, I bet you're wondering what now. Well, you can either go with this information I provide you today and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself time, you can give me a call at 515-468-3039. Once again, my name is Sergio. My number is 515-468-3039. I look forward to hearing from you. You have a great one.